Hey buddy, today in this video we're going to be making chicken Alfredo in the pressure cooker. Let's begin. We have here 2 pieces of chicken breast and we're going to cut them into pieces. Should look something like this. We're gonna season the chicken first. We're gonna add some garlic salt. You can be generous with the seasoning if you want. Turn it over. Okay, we're gonna add some basil leaves. Do the same thing, just flip it over. Just add basil leaves. There you go. Some oregano. Turn it over. Do the same thing again. That's it. There we go. Okay, we're gonna need 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. Around 3 cups. There you go. I'm gonna put that to the side. We're gonna need 2 cups of chicken broth. There you go, that's 2 cups of chicken broth. The type of noodles we're going to be using is fettuccine. We have here 1 cup of tomatoes, 1 cup of spinach, a little bit of parsley, and a half stick of butter. And we also have some Parmesan cheese. Almost forgot, we're just going to add a little bit of black pepper to the chicken. Go, it should be good enough. Okay, let's start cooking the chicken. Okay, we're gonna start searing the chicken first. We're gonna turn on saute, and we're gonna let it heat up, and we'll be back. Okay, the Instant Pot is finally heated up on saute. Now we're just gonna add some olive oil. There you go. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Now we're going to add all the chicken. Oh boy, it smells really good with the seasoning. Stir it up. Make sure to get the minced garlic on all the chicken by stirring it. Okay, we're going to let it sit for a little bit. Okay, we're going to flip them over. Okay, it's a nice sear and it's nicely browned up. And now we're going to take it out. Okay, we're going to put the chicken to the side. And we're gonna add 2 cups of chicken broth. You want to remove all the burnt stuff on the bottom of the pot because or else you're going to get a burn error from the Instant Pot. Okay, it looks pretty good. I think I got most of it off. Now we're going to add the whipping cream. We have here 3 cups of whipping cream. Okay, now we're going to add 16 ounces of fettuccine noodles. We want the noodles to be fully submerged. So I'm just going to add half a cup more of chicken broth just to make sure that it's covered. So that's a total of 2.5 cups of chicken broth in there. Now we're gonna add the chicken back in. There you go. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of minced garlic in there. Half a tablespoon of black pepper. Half tablespoon of black pepper. Half tablespoon of oregano. And half tablespoon of basil. We're also gonna add half stick of butter. Okay, we're just gonna stir the seasoning up a little bit. There we go, looking good. Okay, we're gonna close it up. Okay, it's fully locked. Now we're gonna turn it on pressure cook, and we're gonna turn it to 6 minutes on high. And we're gonna let it start. Okay, it's it's preheating up, and we'll be back once it starts counting down for 6 minutes. Okay, the Instant Pot is fully heated up on high pressure, and we'll be back in 6 minutes. Okay, it's been 6 minutes total. Now we're gonna release the pressure. But before we release the pressure, I'm gonna put a towel over it. Ooh, hot. Okay, we're good. We're just gonna let it depressurize. Okay, the pin has finally gone back down. That tells me it's safe to open. Looking good. Okay, I'm gonna keep it on saute mode. I'm just gonna add some of the tomatoes, and I'm gonna add 6 ounces of Parmesan cheese. And we're gonna add a cup of spinach. And we're just gonna stir everything all together. We have it on saute mode. We're just going to keep stirring until we evaporate some of the liquid. Okay, it's been cooking on saute mode for a couple minutes, and now we're going to test out the noodle and make sure it's soft enough. That's good. Yeah, perfect. We're gonna add a little bit of parsley on top. Okay, this is what we have today, chicken Alfredo made in the pressure cooker. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Okay, let's give it a try. It's really good. Has a perfect garlic flavor, and yeah, it's perfect. It's really good, guys. Give it a try. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.